Apache Camel Online Training. Learn and improve your skills and knowledge from a real-time trainer with Proexcellency. Introduction of Apache Camel. Apache Camel is an open-source integration framework designed to facilitate the seamless integration of various systems and applications. It provides a powerful and flexible way to define, route, and process data between different endpoints or components. Camel is particularly well-suited for building and managing complex, enterprise-level integration solutions. Here are some key aspects and features of Apache Camel. Enterprise Integration Patterns. EIPs. Apache Camel supports a wide range of EIPs, which are well-known patterns for integrating systems. This makes it easy to build complex integrations using a consistent and well-understood approach. Pluggable components. Apache Camel has a large number of pluggable components, which allow it to connect to a wide variety of systems and protocols. This makes it very versatile and adaptable to a wide range of integration needs. Routing and mediation. Apache Camel provides a powerful routing and mediation engine, which allows you to control how messages are routed between different systems. This makes it possible to implement complex routing logic and to transform messages as they are routed. Data transformation. Apache Camel supports a variety of data transformation options, including XSLT, XQuery, and Groovy. This makes it easy to transform messages between different data formats. Testing. Apache Camel has a built-in testing framework, which makes it easy to test your integrations. This helps to ensure that your integrations are working correctly and that they are robust to errors. Monitoring. Apache Camel provides a variety of monitoring options, which allow you to track the performance of your integrations. This helps you to identify and troubleshoot problems quickly. Benefits of Apache Camel. Apache Camel is a popular open-source integration framework that provides a wide range of benefits, including ease of use. Apache Camel is easy to learn and use, even for developers with limited integration experience. It provides a simple and consistent API for routing and mediation, regardless of the transport or messaging model being used. Flexibility. Apache Camel is highly flexible and can be used to integrate a wide variety of systems and applications. It supports over 200 different components, including connectors for HTTP, JMS, Kafka, and many more. Scalability. Apache Camel is designed to be scalable and can handle even the most demanding integration workloads. It can be used to integrate hundreds or even thousands of systems and applications. Reliability. Apache Camel is a reliable and robust framework that has been used by many organizations to integrate their systems. It is backed by a large community of developers and has a proven track record of success. Extensibility. Apache Camel is extensible and allows developers to create custom components and data formats. This makes it possible to integrate even the most complex systems and applications. Why choose Apache Camel? Apache Camel is a powerful and versatile integration framework that can be used to solve a wide variety of problems. Here are some of the reasons why you might choose Apache Camel. It is a mature and well-established framework. Apache Camel has been around for over 15 years and has a large and active community. This means that there is a lot of documentation and support available, and you can be confident that Apache Camel will be around for the long term. It is very flexible. Apache Camel supports a wide variety of transports, data formats, and integration patterns. This means that you can use Apache Camel to integrate with almost any system. It is easy to use. Apache Camel provides a number of features that make it easy to create and maintain integration applications. These features include a powerful DSL, a rich set of components, and a well-designed API. It is scalable. Apache Camel can be scaled to handle large volumes of data and traffic. This makes it a good choice for enterprise applications. It is open source. Apache Camel is an open source project, which means that it is free to use and modify. This gives you the flexibility to customize Apache Camel to meet your specific needs. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile integration framework, Apache Camel is a good choice. It is mature, flexible, easy to use, scalable, and open source. Why use Apache Camel? There are many reasons to use Apache Camel. Here are some of the most important ones. Flexibility and extensibility. Apache Camel is a very flexible framework that can be used to integrate a wide variety of systems and applications. It supports a wide range of protocols and data formats, and it can be extended with custom components and data formats. Ease of use. Apache Camel is easy to learn and use. It provides a simple API that can be used to define routes that move data between systems. It also provides a powerful DSL that can be used to define routes in a more concise and expressive way. Performance. Apache Camel is a high-performance framework that can handle high volumes of data. It is also very scalable, and it can be used to integrate large and complex systems. Support. Apache Camel is a well-supported framework with a large community of users and contributors. There are many resources available to help you learn and use Apache Camel, including documentation, tutorials, and examples. Here are some specific examples of where Apache Camel can be used. Integrating different applications and systems. Migrating data from one system to another. Building microservices. Processing batch jobs. Logging and monitoring data. Creating APIs. Connecting to cloud-based services. If you are looking for a flexible, easy-to-use, and high-performance integration framework, then Apache Camel is a great choice. Here are some additional benefits of using Apache Camel. It is open source and free to use. It is well documented and has a large community of users and contributors. It is supported by a variety of IDEs and development tools. It is available in a variety of languages, including Java, Scala, and Groovy. It is scalable and can be used to integrate large and complex systems. If you are looking for an integration framework that can help you solve your integration problems, then Apache Camel is a great option to consider. What advantages of Apache Camel? Apache Camel is a powerful and versatile integration framework with many advantages. Here are some of the most notable advantages. Extensible. Apache Camel is highly extensible, allowing you to add new components, data formats, and features to meet your specific needs. Flexible. Apache Camel is very flexible, allowing you to integrate a wide variety of systems and applications. Efficient. Apache Camel is efficient, using a lightweight messaging model to minimize resource usage. Scalable. Apache Camel is scalable, making it easy to integrate large and complex systems. Reliable. Apache Camel is reliable, with built-in features for error handling and recovery. Easy to use. Apache Camel is easy to use, with a simple and intuitive API. Well documented. Apache Camel is well documented, with extensive documentation and tutorials available. Active community. Apache Camel has a large and active community, providing support and resources for users. Overall, Apache Camel is a powerful and versatile integration framework that can be used to solve a wide variety of integration problems. It is a good choice for projects that require flexibility, efficiency, scalability, reliability, and ease of use. Apache Camel also supports a number of other features, such as EIPs, Enterprise Integration Patterns. Apache Camel supports a wide range of EIPs, which are a set of best practices for integrating systems. DSLs, Domain-Specific Languages. Apache Camel provides a number of DSLs for defining routes. The DSLs make it easier to write and maintain routes. Monitoring. Apache Camel provides a comprehensive monitoring system for tracking the performance of routes and components. Testing. Apache Camel provides a number of tools for testing routes and components. Apache Camel is a powerful and versatile integration framework that can be used to connect a wide range of systems. It is a popular choice for microservices, event-driven architectures, and other integration scenarios. Camel components. Camel components are the building blocks of Apache Camel. They represent different communication endpoints, such as messaging systems, databases, and files. There are hundreds of Camel components available, so you can choose the ones that are right for your needs. Some of the most popular Camel components include JMS. The JMS component is used to connect to a JMS messaging system. HTTP. The HTTP component is used to connect to an HTTP endpoint. File. The file component is used to read and write files. Database. The database component is used to connect to a database. CXF. The CXF component is used to connect to a SOAP web service. Kafka. The Kafka component is used to connect to a Kafka messaging system. RabbitMQ. The RabbitMQ component is used to connect to a RabbitMQ messaging system. ActiveMQ. The ActiveMQ component is used to connect to an ActiveMQ messaging system. SFTP. The SFTP component is used to transfer files using the SFTP protocol. FTP. The FTP component is used to transfer files using the FTP protocol. These are just a few of the many Camel components that are available. To learn more about Camel components, you can refer to the Camel documentation. Here are some of the things you can do with Camel components. Send and receive messages from messaging systems. Read and write files. Connect databases. Invoke web services. Transfer files between systems. Process messages in a variety of ways. Implement complex routing logic. Camel components are a powerful tool that can be used to integrate a wide variety of systems and services. They are easy to use and can be configured to meet a variety of needs. Camel routes. A camel route is a sequence of steps that Apache Camel takes to process a message. It defines the path that a message takes through the system, as well as the operations that are performed on the message along the way. A camel route can be defined in a number of ways, including Java DSL. This is the most common way to define camel routes. It uses a concise and easy-to-read syntax that makes it easy to create complex routing logic. XML. Camel routes can also be defined in XML. This is a more verbose way to define routes, but it can be useful for documenting your routes or for integrating Camel with other systems. Groovy. Camel also supports a Groovy DSL for defining routes. This is a powerful option that gives you a lot of flexibility in how you define your routes. No matter how you define a Camel route, it always consists of the following elements. Endpoints. Endpoints are the places where messages enter and exit the route. They can be anything from a file to a database to a messaging system. Processors. Processors are the steps that are performed on the message as it travels through the route. They can be used to transform the message, enrich the message, or perform any other operation that you need to do. Conditions. Conditions are used to control the flow of the route. They can be used to decide whether or not to send the message to a particular endpoint or to perform some other action. Camel routes are a powerful way to integrate different systems and applications. They are easy to use and can be defined in a number of ways, making them a versatile tool for a variety of integration tasks. Here are some of the benefits of using camel routes. They are easy to define and understand. They are flexible and can be used to integrate different systems and applications. They are powerful and can be used to perform complex routing logic. They are reliable and can be used to handle large volumes of messages. They are scalable and can be used to handle high-performance applications. Camel DSL. Camel DSL is a domain-specific language, DSL, that makes it easy to create and configure camel routes. It is a powerful tool that can help you to quickly and easily build complex routing logic. The Camel DSL is based on the Java programming language. It uses a fluent builder style, which means that you can chain together method calls to create a route. Here are some of the benefits of using Camel DSL. It is easy to learn and use. It is concise and expressive. It is powerful and flexible. It can help you to quickly and easily build complex routing logic. If you are looking for a way to simplify the creation and configuration of camel routes, then Camel DSL is a great option. Apache Camel troubleshooting. Here are some tips on troubleshooting Apache Camel applications. Enable debug logging. This will give you more information about what is happening inside Camel. You can enable debug logging by setting the logging.level.org.apache.camel property to debug in your Camel configuration. Use the debugger. The Camel debugger can be used to step through your routes and inspect the messages as they are processed. You can enable the debugger by setting the debug property to true in your Camel route. Check the logs. The logs can provide valuable information about problems with your Camel application. Look for errors, warnings, and other messages that may indicate a problem. Use breakpoints. Breakpoints can be used to stop the execution of your Camel application at a specific point. This can be helpful for debugging problems. Use the Camel documentation. The Camel documentation is a valuable resource for troubleshooting problems. It includes information about the different components, routes, and features of Camel. Ask for help. If you are stuck, don't be afraid to ask for help. There are many resources available, such as the Camel mailing lists, the Camel forum, and the Camel IRC channel. Apache Camel best practices. Here are some Apache Camel best practices. Use the right components for the job. There are hundreds of Camel components available, so it is important to choose the right ones for your needs. Choose components that are well suited for the type of communication endpoint you need to connect to, the data format you need to work with, and the features you need. Use the Camel DSL to create your routes. The Camel DSL is a powerful tool that can help you to quickly and easily create complex routing logic. It is also a great way to document your routes and make them easier to understand. Use unit tests to test your routes. Unit tests can help you to catch problems in your routes early on. They can also help you to ensure that your routes are working as expected. Use the Camel debugger to troubleshoot your routes. The Camel debugger can be a valuable tool for troubleshooting problems with your routes. It allows you to step through your routes and inspect the messages as they are processed. Use the Camel documentation. The Camel documentation is a valuable resource for learning about Camel and avoiding problems. It includes information about the different components, routes, and features of Camel. Use the Camel community. The Camel community is a valuable resource for help and support. There are many mailing lists, forums, and IRC channels where you can ask questions and get help from other Camel users. Here are some additional best practices that you can follow. Use a consistent coding style. This will make your code easier to read and maintain. Document your routes. This will make it easier to understand your code and troubleshoot problems. Use a version control system. This will help you to track changes to your code and revert to previous versions if necessary. Use a build automation tool. This will help you to automate the build and deployment of your Camel applications. Apache Camel in the real world. Apache Camel is used in a wide variety of real-world applications, including e-commerce. Apache Camel can be used to integrate e-commerce systems with payment processors, shipping providers, and other third-party services. Logistics. Apache Camel can be used to integrate logistics systems with tracking systems, warehouse management systems, and other transportation systems. Finance. Apache Camel can be used to integrate financial systems with trading platforms, clearing houses, and other financial institutions. Telecom. Apache Camel can be used to integrate telecom systems with billing systems, customer relationship management systems, and other telecom applications. Manufacturing. Apache Camel can be used to integrate manufacturing systems with inventory management systems, production planning systems, and other manufacturing applications. IoT. Apache Camel can be used to integrate IoT devices with cloud platforms, data lakes, and other IoT applications. Apache Camel is also used in a variety of other industries, including healthcare, government, and media. Here are some specific examples of how Apache Camel is used in the real world. Netflix uses Apache Camel to integrate its streaming platform with payment processors, content delivery networks, and other third-party services. Walmart uses Apache Camel to integrate its supply chain systems with transportation providers, warehouse, and other retail partners. Bank of America uses Apache Camel to integrate its banking systems with customer relationship management systems, fraud detection systems, and other financial applications. Verizon uses Apache Camel to integrate its telecom systems with billing systems, customer support systems, and other telecom applications. Siemens uses Apache Camel to integrate its manufacturing systems with inventory management systems, production planning systems, and other manufacturing applications. Apache Camel is a powerful and versatile integration framework that can be used to solve a wide variety of problems. It is used by a wide variety of organizations in the real world, and it is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to integrate systems. Career opportunities and salary expectations in Apache Camel in India. Apache Camel is a popular open-source integration framework that is used by many businesses in India. As a result, there are many career opportunities available for Apache Camel developers in India. The salary for Apache Camel developers in India varies depending on experience, skills, and location. However, the average salary for an Apache Camel developer in India is around 21 lakhs rupees per year. Here are some of the career opportunities available for Apache Camel developers in India. Software engineer, integration architect, DevOps engineer, cloud architect, consultant. The skills that are required for a career in Apache Camel development include knowledge of Apache Camel, experience with programming languages such as Java, Scala, or Python, experience with enterprise integration patterns, knowledge of cloud computing technologies, problem-solving and analytical skills, If you are interested in a career in Apache Camel development, there are many resources available to help you learn the skills you need. There are many online courses and tutorials available, as well as Apache Camel training programs offered by various organizations. Or you can also gain experience by working on open-source Apache Camel projects. This is a great way to learn the framework and build your skills. The future of Apache Camel looks bright. As businesses continue to adopt cloud computing and microservices, the demand for Apache Camel developers will continue to grow. So if you are looking for a career in software development, Apache Camel is a great option. Here are some of the companies in India that hire Apache Camel developers. Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, HCL, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, Mindtree, Persistent Systems, Birlasoft. These companies offer competitive salaries and benefits to their employees. So if you are looking for a challenging and rewarding career in software development, Apache Camel is a great option. Why choose Apache Camel Online Training? There are many reasons to choose Apache Camel Online Training. Here are a few of the most important ones. Flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own time. This is ideal for busy professionals who want to learn new skills without having to disrupt their work or personal lives. Affordability. Online training is typically more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because you don't have to pay for travel, accommodation, or other expenses. Convenience. Online training can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. This means that you can learn from the comfort of your own home or office. Interactive content. Online training often includes interactive content, such as quizzes, exercises, and simulations. This helps you to learn more effectively by engaging with the material. Expert instruction. Online training is typically taught by experienced instructors who are experts in the subject matter. This ensures that you are getting the best possible instruction. Community support. Many online training providers offer community support forums where you can ask questions and get help from other learners. This can be a valuable resource for getting help with difficult concepts or troubleshooting problems. If you are considering learning Apache Camel, I encourage you to consider online training. It is a flexible, affordable, and convenient way to learn this powerful integration framework. Topics covered in Apache Camel Online Training. Sure, here are some of the topics that are typically covered in Apache Camel Online Training. Introduction to Apache Camel. Camel components. Camel routes. Camel DSL. Camel troubleshooting. Camel best practices. Apache Camel in the real world. The advantages of online training for Apache Camel. There are many advantages to online training for Apache Camel. Here are a few of the most important ones. Flexibility. Online training can be accessed from anywhere, at any time. This makes it a great option for busy professionals who want to learn new skills without having to disrupt their work or personal lives. Convenience. Online training can be completed at your own pace, so you can learn at a time that is convenient for you. This is a great option for people who have busy schedules or who learn best at their own pace. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training. This is because you don't have to pay for travel, lodging, or food. Access to a wider range of courses. Online training providers offer a wide range of courses, so you can find one that meets your specific needs and interests. This is not always the case with traditional classroom training, which may only offer a limited number of courses. Interaction with instructors and other learners. Many online training providers offer interactive features, such as chat rooms and forums, where you can interact with the instructor and other learners. This can help you to get help with your coursework and to network with other professionals in the field. If you are considering learning Apache Camel, online training is a great option. It is flexible, convenient, cost-effective, and offers access to a wide range of courses and resources. Here are some additional advantages of online training for Apache Camel. You can learn at your own pace and focus on the topics that are most important to you. You can access the training materials from anywhere in the world, so you don't have to travel to a training center. You can interact with the instructor and other learners through online forums and chat rooms. You can get help with your coursework from the instructor or other learners. You can save money on travel, lodging, and food costs. If you are interested in learning Apache Camel, I encourage you to consider online training. It is a great way to learn new skills and advance your career. Why choose Proexcellency for Apache Camel online training? Here are some reasons why you should choose Proexcellency for Apache Camel online training. Expert instructors. Proexcellency instructors are experts in Apache Camel and have years of experience in the industry. They can teach you the latest features and best practices of Camel. Interactive learning. Proexcellency training is interactive, so you can learn by doing. You will get hands-on experience with Apache Camel and build real-world applications. Flexible learning. Proexcellency training is flexible, so you can learn at your own pace. You can access the training materials 24/7 and watch the videos on demand. Accredited training. Proexcellency training is accredited by the Apache Software Foundation, so you can be sure that you are getting quality training. If you are looking for the best Apache Camel online training, then Proexcellency is the right choice for you. Here are some additional benefits of choosing Proexcellency for Apache Camel online training. You will get access to a community of other learners who are also interested in Apache Camel. This community can be a valuable resource for help and support. You will get access to the latest Apache Camel documentation and resources. This will help you to stay up to date on the latest features and best practices of Camel. You will get a certificate of completion from Proexcellency. This certificate can be a valuable asset when you are applying for jobs or seeking promotion. Contact us. 08031508687 +918722079509. info@proexcellency.com. afan@proexcellency.com. www.proexcellency.com. Thank you for watching.